In 1990, the Réunion Island General Council purchases land among which the parcel where the ruins of the sugar factory are located. From then on, the Historical Museum gets in touch with the Association for the Patrimony Safeguard, the SHAM Association, medieval historical and architectural building sites, to lead and plan a global operation for value enhancement of this patrimonial set. That is a testimony of the industrial architecture still present on the island but dying out. A campaign of work is set with the aim to conserve the site, in accordance with the comprehensive treatment of the building and respectfully of the authenticity, mostly singling out reusing the existing material. Taking into account a social dimension, the worksite belongs to a formative step and of professional integration meant for local public, of young adults or long-lasting jobless people. It does not exclude voluntary help associating from time to time schools and leisure activity centers. During the 4-year lasting worksite, from 1991 to 1994, interventions were undertaken, according to the methods effective to the historical monuments. The site is cleaned and cleared away to allow better readability of the different buildings, of the factory and the identification of the distinct zones of production. The works of masonry are undertaken. Rubble work, stone cutting work, coating work to consolidate and stabilize the ruins.